Hey, Lutz, Florida. Are you inventing something bold? Hey, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And we built this whole page here just for you here in Lutz. I know you're thinking, why this special page? Well, because we've got a lot of inventors just outside of the Tampa area right here in Lutz. In fact, we have one of our own patent attorneys based near Tampa. This city is huge. It's fast growing. And if you're building something here, the key is to make your invention and protect it the right way. Here at Bold Patents, we've been serving vendors, not just here in Lutz, but all over the country with patent searching, design and utility patent application drafting, and prosecution to help you work with that examiner to get the most rights possible. And we don't stop there. We provide you enforcement support if there is any infringement down the road. So let us help her. Let us be your guide on this patent journey. Book a free discovery call below, and let's get started today. So here's your challenge, Lutz, to go big and go bold.